Greetings smartwatch fans! Meron tayo ditong bagong smartwatch from Oraimo, ang Oraimo Watch 5, also known as the Oraimo OSW805 model. So dito nakastate, it is a Watch 5 OSW805 model. At sa video nito, titingnan natin ang design. Okay, check natin. Kasama na rin yung mga features na loaded sa smartwatch na ito. So, sa mga nagbabalak bumili ng Oraimo smartwatch, panoorin nyo muna yung video nito bago kayo mag-decide na bumili ng Watch 5 na model. Okay, so kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, subscribe na sa ating nag-iisang Smartwatch Pinoy TV. Okay, so wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Let's start. Tingnan natin ang Oraimo Watch 5 smartwatch. So ito yung packaging ng Oraimo smartwatch. Premium yung dating. Okay? So impress ako sa packaging nito. Hindi katulad ng iba na medyo ordinary box cover lang or ordinary yung packaging. Ito, maganda talaga yung pagkakayari. So we have some details dito. Oraimo, ito yung QR code sa website, Facebook page for accessories. Dito sa harap, okay, so ito nakalagay dito wireless high definition calling. Ito yung sa screen display, 2.01 inch anti-scratch panda glass, 10.8mm ultra thin, at ito blood oxygen and heart rate monitoring. Okay, so may warranty tayo, 365 days, 1 year, vivid thin, tough design, 7-day usage time. Ito yung normal usage. Okay, sa likod naman, ito yung QR code, ang Oraimo Health. Okay, so meron tayong sticker of authentication. Okay, so very good so far sa packaging. And ano nga ba yung contents ng box na ito? So ito yung laman. Meron tayo ditong welcome guide, watch 5. So meron details dito about sa smartwatch. Okay. Kung trip nyong basahin, meron namang English version. At iba pang language. Okay. Then, charging cable, pogo pin, magnetic, USB type A. And of course, yung smartwatch na nakatouch na kagad yung strap. So, quick release pin for easy replacement. So, I guess 0.22 yata to. Titingnan natin mamaya. Plastic body frame ng smartwatch. Merong stainless steel buckle. Okay, so again, yung content, user guide or welcome guide, charging cable, at yung smartwatch na mayroong strap kagad na naka-attach. Yung pinili natin is silver. Pero meron namang black color for this smartwatch. Okay? So next, check natin yung kabuuang design ng Oraimo Watch 5. Okay, so tingnan natin. So plastic body frame, pati na rin yung likod. So, meron tayo ditong details. Model OSW805, 180M waterproof rating. Okay, up to 10 meters. Then, charging. Okay, connector dito. Ito, sensor for heart rate monitoring. Ito naman, sadly, wala siyang support for rotary function. Okay, power on and off lang to. So yung black border, manipis dito sa gilid, kabilaan. Sa taas, ganun din. Medyo makapal nga lang yung sa baba. For the strap, yung sabi ko nga kanina, meron itong quick release pin. So yung sukat ng strap, baka gusto yung palitan yung sa inyo, is 22mm. Okay? So, standard. Napakaraming third-party strap for this smartwatch. Mas mahirap yung 18. Okay, maraming alternative for 22mm. For the weight, okay, may tingnan natin yung dimension ng smartwatch. Unahin muna natin yung weight. So, with the strap attached, so yung weight is around 43.57. So, very lightweight kahit naka-attach na yung strap. Lalo na pa siguro pag walang strap to, around 25 lang siguro. Okay. For the dimension, so tingnan natin. So it is 48. Okay. 48 yung length. Yung width naman, it is 42. Okay. Then for the thickness, ayun. So 10 point something. 10.8 nga siguro. Okay, nakalagay dito. Tingnan natin ulit. So, for the thickness, 10.8. Okay, so pareho nga. Sakto. Okay, again, titingnan natin ang malapitan yung smartwatch na to. Speaker. So far, okay naman yung smartwatch. Simple, minimalist design. At merong plastic body frame. Touchscreen. Okay naman yung brightness. Okay. Next, let's check yung offered na menu sa Oraimo Watch 5. Okay, so tingnan natin. Ito, settings. Tingnan nga natin yung sa brightness. Okay ba yung brightness? Okay. Yun. Okay lang naman. Okay. So, mid-range yung brightness. So, ito yung mga available na widgets. So, pwede ka magtanggal, pwede mong dagdagan. And, pwede ding ma-arrange. Sa baba, notifications. Okay. So, sa pag-access ng main menu, press nyo lang yung power button. So, tingnan natin. So, may sports functions, workout records, activity record, meron din. Voice assistant, message notifications, merong Bluetooth call, with support sa contacts, dial pad, and call history. Merong music control, heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring meron din, blood oxygen, blood pressure, okay? Meron ding, ano ba to yung isa na to? Okay, I'm not familiar with this one. Baka stress monitoring to. Merong breath training, remote camera control, weather report, calendar, alarm, stopwatch, timer, meron ding calculator, find phone, flashlight, meron ding gaming, at least dalawa yung games, 2048 at racing car. Go back. Yan. Then, sa settings, ano ba yung settings natin? App view, display and brightness, battery, okay, sound and vibration, QR code, about, at ito yung general natin. Merong off, restart, at reset. Okay, going back. Sa sports, tingnan natin. So, marami ding loaded na sports functions. And parang customizable rin naman, oh. Okay, merong settings for each sports functions. Okay, so ito yung mga details or ito yung mga list of sports functions. Okay, I guess it's not more than 50. Maybe around 30 siguro ang sports nito. Okay, go back. Yun. Hindi nga lang ganun responsive yung screen display. Medyo minsan namamali tayo. Okay. So, hindi nasa-select ng maayos or tatap or nasa swipe ng maayos yung menu. Okay. Anyways, titingnan natin. Ilang days pa lang naman sa atin to. Titingnan natin for at least a week or 2. Tingnan natin kung okay nga ba yung smartwatch nito o hindi. Sa next video natin, papakita natin sa inyo yung paano nga ba mag-pair ng smartwatch nito. Okay? So that's it sa ating Oraimo Watch 5 smartwatch. So kung balak nyong bumili nito, panoorin yung video nito in full, and of course, ask some questions and subscribe sa ating nag-iisang Smartwatch Pinoy TV. Bye!